Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing both frames so the overlay can appear cleanly. First, create your overlay content in its own frame and size it for the UI context. This helps with positioning. Once done, select a visible trigger, a button or icon, inside the main frame because the trigger defines user intent. Then, open the prototype panel and drag the interaction node from that trigger to the overlay frame. This establishes the connection and unlocks overlay options for the next steps. Now you configure how the overlay behaves and why those choices matter. In the prototype controls, choose an interaction type, on-click for buttons, hover for tooltips, or after delay for auto modals, because interaction affects discoverability. Next, set action to open overlay and pick position. Centered, manual, or relative, then select an animation like move in or dissolve for visual continuity. Make sure to set background dim and closing options so users can dismiss the overlay into. Finally, test the overlay thoroughly to ensure it opens and closes as intended. Enter present mode and activate the trigger across different frames because overlays can behave differently at varying sizes. Make refinements to placement and animation timing to match your design rhythm. If something fails, inspect auto layout and overlay frame constraints, verify the prototype link points to the intended frame, and ensure no overlapping hotspots block clicks. One key tip: rename frames clearly. That often reveals miswired connections.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.